Ramadan is a time of reflection, a time of gratitude, and a time to come together. At Elite Elevators, we celebrate not just the spirit of Ramadan, but the people who make our journey successful. This evening, our Malaysia team gathers to share a special Ramadan Iftar, celebrating unity, appreciation, and success together.
This team the energy is top-notch, so we always support each other and we can grow together as a team.
The team culture is actually very engaging. Everyone is energetic, and also the motivation that I get from communicating with them, it drives me further.
I started off as a big business development manager. Over the years, I was promoted to be the regional sales director.
When you're surrounded by winners, that's the kind of culture that you want to be around. And this is what we have here in Elite Elevators.
It's really a fun thing to be gathering with everyone, especially in this Iftar itself. I really love it.
My journey has been very delightful, very good. Being part of the team, of course, it's very supportive as well. You get to understand each other's requirement, I would say.
So far, I would say my journey has been positive and rewarding. It's motivating as well.
Good to see everyone under one roof, and definitely we will be having so many functions like this. Let's grow together.
I would like to thank our management for this arrangements. We hope to celebrate this again and again and again.
So this is the first time I'm in Malaysia with the entire Malaysia team. So I'm very, very thankful to all my team and also the management to giving this opportunity and also having this great dinner. So thank you all.